Hi, Matt Roulette over at MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be going over a 2021 Sea Ray SDX 250. Great boat. First we'll just start. Take a look down here. We have the sea deck throughout the whole boat, cockpit, swim pad. Back here we do have the Fusion Bluetooth right here. If you're hanging out, you can adjust all the music. Spray down right here. Put that right back on. Let's say if you were hanging out back here using the music, you can actually lift this up. Have a ton of space back here. It's really cool hanging out with the family, you know, hanging by the sandbar. Flip that forward and you get a whole view up here. Also, Sea Ray does a good job. You can interchange, have this whole space just like that, even at the helm seat. A lot of entertaining space on a 25-foot boat. Sea Ray's been around a long time. They do a great job. If you take a look at the helm, comes with everything's in flush. All your switches, gauges are right here. Fusion radio, Bluetooth. You can get the Sirius satellite weather updates. Pretty awesome. Sim rads right there, flush with the black acrylic. Looks very good. And a 250 SDX, they have this nice compartment down here. It is a head, but say if you got the young ones, kids, you can actually have a little pad down there, get out of the sun for a little bit. Also have a lot of storage. Now, if you look up, we do have this tower. You got your all white light up there, or you can do your ski tow bar. This is a bimini that folds all the way out, covers right about to the sun pad back there. Very nice feature. And just real quick, this does fold forward too with a nice switch right here. This will go lower if you have a bridge restriction or if you just want to lower it. Speakers everywhere. See, the way they did this, you actually go up on the port side instead of going through the center. So you have this nice space. You have a bench right here. You can probably fit 3 people comfortably up here. Another cool thing that they do. Right here, you have a bench hopping on and off at the sandbar. Very, very cool. Very unique to the SDX. So, here's a quick run through. If you have any more questions about this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please feel free to give me a call. 603-320-5524. Matt Roulette with MarineMax Danvers. Thank you.